A University of South Florida professor is bringing ancient Greek history into the future with virtual reality.
And my problem is, how do I explain it to other people? So I thought, well, I could do it in drawings, I could do it in photographs, and then this technology came along.
3D technology allows you to discover something in a place like Greece or Italy, make a scan of it, and then study it at your own leisure. Murray is studying monuments from the Battle of Actium.
And when I utilize this technology, I'll give you an example here. It allowed me to take something that was like this. This is what survives on the monument. It's literally a hole in a wall. This is about 5% of the total size, and it allowed us to create what went in the hole. So I knew this, I could see this 35 years ago when I sat in front of this hole, but when I got the technology that allowed me to print this out for the first time, and I pulled it out of the printer and looked at it, I had that wow moment. It was just sort of like, wow, that's really awesome.